When life gives you limes, squeeze them fast and make a kamikaze. Everyone knows I like margaritas and everyone likes vodka, so let's make a kamikaze cocktail and a kamikaze shot. If you like a margarita, you'll love this kamikaze. This is a super easy cocktail. Cut and squeeze 2 limes into a glass or shaker over ice. Give it a good squeeze. Add a shot of vodka and a shot of triple sec. Give it a good shake or stir and serve it up in a glass or pour into shot glasses. These things go down fast like a kamikaze. If you like margaritas, you'll love a kamikaze. Thank you for joining me. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make or shake something else.
Food porn.